Jicama
Honey
Blast!
Okay guys, today we're making jicama ice cream. The first thing you want to do is get 2 cups of pre-cut frozen jicama. Next, go ahead and add the chunks to the blender. Now that is ready, add your 1/3 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of ice water. With the help of an adult, put the blender on high. After everything is fully blended, use a spatula to transfer the ice cream into a bowl. For a thicker consistency, add everything into the freezer for about 20 minutes or so. You know best. Once ready to eat, drizzle some honey and enjoy.